Hello everybody, these are Dierre locks
такими ключами.
with such keys.
Инструмент.
The tool is semi-force, that is almost like force key.
То есть мы вставляем.
So we insert it, start working easily,
Работать легко.
and gradually there is more backlash, and then we start to give more force to swing it. That is half power tool. And sometimes it is very easy, sometimes it will scroll a little hard. So, and this is how we open it. The full instruction on how to work with the tool will be separately for those who buy the tool. Now I'm just showing how it works. You don't need too much load. We just swing it gradually. After such opening, if the lock opened well with a little force, the next time if you open it, it will open instantly. That is, we insert the tool, literally 5 seconds, and it will open. After such a forceful opening. Let's try the key. The key can go in very tightly. Well, that is, it must be hammered back in. If the opening was easy, well, without any effort, then both the key and the lock operation remain unchanged. But this one is over already. The price of the tool will be on the website, the link is under this video. Bye.